All right, boys, this Friday, we're pulling up to one of my favorite comfort food spots in the entire Merrimack Valley. We're at What the Fork Catering at 265 Boston Road. If you're not familiar with this place, they're a nice little family-owned and operated spot, and they've been putting out some killer food for quite some time now. I'll never forget my first time trying this place when they were serving food out of the OG food truck. And once they got their brick and mortar building set up, you know I had to come back. And the first thing that I opened when I got home was the Mexican street corn. I've been seeing tons of pictures of this stuff all over social media, and I honestly can't even explain the flavor. This stuff is just unbelievable. So the last time I came to this spot, I got a couple things, and another one of those things was a triple smash burger, but I got bacon added to mine. That's usually what I do when I come here, and I'm telling you, these burgers never disappoint. And I'm sure anyone else that's tried these will definitely agree. I'm not gonna lie, I probably need about 20 minutes worth of video time to cover all the amazing food these guys put out, but something I really wanted to put you guys onto, if you're still here watching this video, is the crispy chicken Caesar sub. I got this before, and I had to come get it again. I honestly don't know what it is, but there's something about this place and the way they cook their food that truly separates them from the rest. And as I said earlier, guys, they have so many awesome food options. It would take me forever to cover it. So go to their social media pages at What the Fork Catering, Instagram, Facebook, and check it out for yourself. So sick seeing a business grow to where they've grown to. If you're local, you know they were still putting out bangers out of that food truck in the parking lot before they got their building set up. Here are the hours of operation. But like I said, go to their Facebook page. They post updates all the time. I'm not being biased because I live near this place, but I'm telling you, this is a place worth driving to. So if you're in the Massachusetts area, you need to stop by and check them out.